Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this 208 Active. So this car's got some great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get DAB digital radio, air conditioning, and there's also cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 12,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.